Oh great. No villains are trying to taking over the world. Wait. What? Why are you all piled up? Hey, we are just you know, we are just we are just having a vacation. Well, vacation is off. Come on, let's search if humans, I mean, not humans. Why do I always, why do I always forget that sentence? Alright, now let's watch that any villains are still around. Yeah, we will too check. Let's see in the computer, the special ball computer. Tee, 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 tee. Doo-doo. The scanner is showing no villains around to take over the world. Oh great! We could finally rest. Come on. Oh my god. I'm stretching my wings. Me too. It's so tiring day to save the day. Come on. But we still have to see if villains are still around. Hey, look. These villains are just sleeping. Okay. That's great. No more villains to stop. There we go. We got our free time. Now let's just, relax. That's what I call a holiday. Yeah, but you said holidays is over. And after holidays, there is the school function. Oh yeah. Ouch. It's in the last April day. But there's a lot of time for that. Yeah. Well, let's just do nothing. Toon, 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 toon. Wait, what is that alarm? Toon, 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 toon. What is that? Toon, 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 toon. Let's check it out. Tee, 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 tee. Doo, 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 doo. Oh, what? They're building a new gadget? Let's stop it. Wait, what? Wait, they're just sleeping. But why did it say they're making new gadgets? They're just sleeping. Oh, ouch. I rolled over. Let me check as well. Oh, this rock is going to fall. Oh. I'll pick it up because I did it. I did the mistake. There we go. Alright. Oh yeah. The toucan was correct. They are still sleeping. Okay. Let's check if they really are. Ooh, hi, we are a super bird. Whoa, they're in deep sleep. Oh, I think he's just dreaming. Oh, he's sleepwalking. I mean, he's sleepwalking. Oh, back to bed again. I knew this trick can work. He really thinks we are sleeping. Shh. Ha! Got you! What? Was that a trick? Yeah! Let's catch him. We got you! There, we got you! Oh no, I don't know what to do. Wait, no. Let's make you a bad guy with this gadget. What? It's the bad over evil. I mean, bad over good. Alright, this machine is called it. Alright. Let's take over the world in one group. Oh yeah, that's better than I dreamed. Yeah. Oh ho 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 ho. Ho 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 ho. What's that noise? I got to check. And what's taking him so long? What? He's been badified? What? Where did you come from? Well, get him! Yeah, get him. Oh yeah, I have the gadget. Not again. Let's do bad stuff. Come on, peck those super birds. They're just still sleeping. Come on, it's the best time to do a prank. Let's peck. Okay, master. Pee 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 pee. Oh, ow, 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 ow. Pee 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 pee. Pee 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 pee. Ouch. Pee 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 pee. Pee 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 pee. Ha. Oh. Stop, you bad villain. Oh, it's just toucan. But why did you do that to us? Come on. Now I will drag them away with my tail. Boom! Boom! Ouch! Ha ha ha! Great job, my evil friend. Now, come on, Chicky. Use them spider webs on them. Yeah! Super web wind. I mean, super web tornado. Wait, what? Not again. Ow! Let me out, you pesky villain. Oh, ouch. Oh, let us out. Ouch. Ha! Great job, my other evil friend. Wait, where is he? Yeah. Thanks, my dear evil friend. Now, you both work together and destroy the superbirds. Yeah, master. As you say, we will do. This is more better than I dreamed. What happened? We spiderwebbed you. Well, let's get some wind on them. Yeah, I was also planning that. Super green parrot wing wind. No! Oh! Oh! No! What have you done to my super new friends? That are evil, of course. You won't stop with this. Let's blow that gadget away and throw it for good, and it will be gone forever. With my trusty old feathers. Feathers, bring me that gadget. What? Ha! Now let's turn you good. Uh-oh. And let's turn you good again as well. There. What happened? I forgot everything. Yeah! Never fear. Super Kangaroo to the rescue. What? Come on, let's save the day. Ooh, wow, and this is more better than I dreamed. Dumpty 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 doo, dumpty 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 doo. I like when he stays like that. Yeah. But we have to crush it. Let's call the duck. The duck! Duck! 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 The duck! Oh! My friends are calling me! On my way! Yes, my friends! Break this new gadget called the Bad Over Good. Got it. Super Duck muscles. There. Hey, what just happened? Oh, I will get you back, you super pesky birdies. But you win this time, but we will be back, you pesky silly birdies. Bye bye. But you win this time. We will be back, you birdies best. Boing. Yeah, we will be back, you pesky birdies. You pesky super birds. We will get you next time. Ha 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 ha. There, we saved the day. Yeah, super birds, I'll shout today because every day we save the day. Ha ha ha. We are super birds, and remember, if you need trouble, just call us. Yeah! Let's speed out of here. Do, 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 do.